Before go to the video, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. So you see, this is my sample access database. So I have named my database at report automation. So I have a table called TBL contact. So it includes all the contacts data, sample data. Then based on this table, I have created a continuous form called FRM contact. So this contact form shows all the contacts of my table. So based on this sample data, I am going to automate data export from Access to Excel or a PDF. So the first step is you need to go to design view of your form. Now I am going to add two command buttons to the header section of this form. To add a command buttons, what you should do is just click on the design tab. So on the design tab, there is a design tools there. I select command button and I am going to place one command button on my header section of the form. Then I'm going to add another command button. This is my second one. Now close the wizard or cancel the wizard. Now I added two command buttons like this. Now I want to change the caption of my command buttons like this. So first command button, I'm going to change the caption to export to Excel, and this button I'm going to change the caption to export to PDF. Like after that I want to change the name of this command button to CMD Excel. So therefore click on this button, then you can see your property window. Under the property window, select the name, then rename your button names to change your button names to CMD Excel, and then select next button. There under the property box, go to the all tab, then change name of your command button to CMD PDF. Now the caption and the name of my command buttons changed. Then the next step is I want to add a small VBA coding part to make this work success. The VBA window, or to open the VBA window, what you should do is just click on this button, then right click, then you need to select the build event. So under the build event, you need to select code builder, then press OK. Now under the CMD Excel click event, you need to place the following code to complete this task. So this is the VB code line. You need to type do CMD dot output to, then AC output form, comma, then you need to give your form name. So here my continuous form name is FRM contact, then AC format. So our AC format is Excel SX, then comma, after that you need to give the output path. So I'm going to save my report to following location C, then users, then France, then desktop, then this is the file name excel.xlsx, comma, then true. So you need to close the inverted commas here, then save. So this is the code line you need to add under the click event of your CMD Excel button. Now close the VBA window, then go to the form view. So there, let's click on this export to Excel button and we can check whether our process is correct or not. Now I'm going to click on the export to Excel button. So once I click the export to Excel button, so Excel file, Excel open, and you can see all the exported data. So you see all the form records exported to Excel 100% accurately. So what country over the records equals to just a cook. So I'm going to export this filtered output. Then just click on the export to Excel. Then you can see all the countries filtered to cook. Then it is also exported to Excel from a single click. Excel very easily. So the next step is how to export these details to PDF format. Then again go to design view, click on the export to PDF button, then right click and select build event. From the build event, select code builder. Then you need to add the following code to the CMD PDF click event. Then again do docmd.OutputTo, then AC output form, comma, again form name, close inverted commas, comma, then here you see AC format PDF. You need to give AC format PDF, then comma, then you need to give the what we call the export path. I'm going to give the same path. Then comma true. So here you need to change the excel.pdf. Now save. So I type all the line of code belongs to export to PDF format. Then close the VBA window. Then again save the process and go to the form view. Now let's select Los Angeles. Okay, Los Angeles. So then click export to PDF. You see, this is our PDF file. Let's open the PDF file. Now you see all the details. Let's the Los Angeles country filtered and export to PDF format or a PDF report like this. So likewise, you can export any Access report to PDF or Excel using single click. If you need any clarification, please put a comment under video comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Then that's it for today. So let's meet with another video. Thank you very much.